And hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the tutorial how to take a screenshot or screen capture in the cell phone Infinix Smart 20. So there is a 3 way to take a screenshot in the cell phone. Okay, let's do the first way. You can using this volume down and power button to take a screenshot. You can press it together like this. Okay, just like this. Just press the volume button and power. But if you want to do without power button, you can using this option, the screenshot icon on the control center. And the 3 way you can using the accessibility button, but in the before you want to enable on the setting. And if you want to enable this option, you can go to the setting, and then you can go to the accessibility, taps on accessibility, and then you can select on accessibility menu. You can enable this option, tap on allow, and then you can tap on more option. Then you can select on the location, and you can select on navigation bar. So you will find this icon to do screenshot like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.